favorite part today?
My favorite part was the games.
The games?
Yeah, we did a railroad thing when we passed like water balls, like person to person. He passed one time to me 7 balls at a time.
Whoa. So what's the big theme for today?
Jesus can help you do hard things.
Jesus can help you do hard things. That's right.
Trust Jesus.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday. Now, today is Train B here at Rocky Railway. And what that is, it's the same theme as Monday, but with different passengers. So today, the kids and everybody is still learning about how Jesus' power helps us do hard things, and we need to trust in Jesus when we do that. So today is the same day as yesterday, but we've got different passengers on the train today. So we're going to dive into this today and hopefully have a lot of fun and learn a lot about Jesus. Let's go. Siler, what was your favorite thing today?
Bible adventures.
Bible adventures? What was your favorite part today?
Bible adventure.
Bible adventure? You learn anything exciting today?
Yes.
Yeah.
God can help us accomplish anything.
All right. So it looks like there's a lot of goodies dropped off here for the guys and the girls for the mission trip. So make sure you guys are still bringing those in. I don't know, the girls might be pulling ahead if this is a competition, I don't know. But everything is welcomed, everything is going for a good cause. So make sure you're bringing in your goodies, money donations, or stuff to put in the suitcase. Make sure you bring it right to this week. All right, we're getting ready to do the big wrap up for day 2 for Train B today. So the kids had a lot of fun, a lot of stuff going on. We're getting ready to do the wrap up. So let's watch them do some dance. All right, we're here with Trisha again, just wrapping up Train B. So same as yesterday, but with different passengers. How do you think it went today, Trisha?
It went really, really good. We did have new passengers, so it was awesome to see all these new faces. And we had a lot of first-aid volunteers from yesterday, but we did have some new ones. And hats off to you, Adam, because you were incredible. Ananias, you guys should have seen him in action. He did wonderful.
I saw him a little bit. Best Ananias I've seen.
This is my mother. So, has it been going good even though we kind of split up 2 trains?
It has.
Numbers been good?
Yes, numbers have been good. We did have some cancellations, which means we do have some spots open.
So
if you want to try to register, you still can.
there you go. Come on, join in the railway fun.
Yes.
All right. So that's it for today on Train Beat. Come tomorrow and we'll start it all over again back with Train A. So we'll see you then. A lot of donations in. Hi, Reagan. Hi, Bethany. You guys have fun today?
Yeah. You twist it and then
Put it on the floor, doesn't it? Take off. Whoa.